Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
Imagine you're standing on top of a giant green hill. You look out and see the whole world stretched out below you. Forests, rivers, tiny little houses. And then, you jump. But you don't fall. You fly. No engine, no motor. Just you, the wind, and the sky. That is hang gliding. And today, we're going to find out everything about it. So what exactly is hang gliding? A hang glider is a giant wing, shaped kind of like a really big triangle kite. It's usually about 10 meters wide, and it's made of a super strong but super light material stretched over a frame of aluminum tubes. The pilot, that's the person flying, hangs underneath the wing in a special harness, kind of like being tucked into a sleeping bag, but in the sky. To steer, the pilot moves their body. Shift left, you go left. Shift right, you go right. Lean forward to go faster. Pull back to slow down. No buttons, no steering wheel, just your own body working with the wind. How cool is that? Now you might think hang gliding is a new invention, but people have been dreaming about gliding through the air for a long time. Way back in the 1890s, a German engineer named Otto Lilienthal built giant gliding wings and jumped off hills over 2,000 times. People called him the Glider King. He taught the world that human flight was actually possible, and he inspired the Wright brothers to build the very first powered airplane. But modern hang gliding as we know it today really took off, pun intended, in the 1960s and 70s. All right, let's say you wanted to go hang gliding one day. What would that actually feel like? First, you'd hike up to the top of a big hill or a cliff with your instructor. Your instructor would say, "Okay, run." And you'd run as fast as you can toward the edge. And then suddenly, your feet leave the ground. The whole world drops away beneath you, and it gets quiet. Really, really quiet. You look down and see treetops. You look sideways and see birds flying next to you. You look up and the sky is endless blue above you. People who have done it say it feels more like dreaming than anything they've ever experienced in real life. Before we land, let's drop some seriously awesome facts. The world record for the longest hang gliding flight is over 700 kilometers in a single flight. The highest hang gliding flight ever recorded reached over 4,300 meters. That's higher than the clouds. Hang gliding is done on every single continent on Earth. Yes, even people have hang glided in Antarctica. And the oldest hang glider pilot ever recorded was 90 years old. 90. So it's never too late to fly. Hang gliding is one of the most amazing things a human being can do. No engine, no fuel, just the power of the wind, the warmth of the sun, and the courage to take that first running step off a hilltop. Every single hang glider pilot in the world started exactly where you are right now. On the ground, looking up at the sky, wondering what it would feel like to fly. Maybe one day, that'll be you up there.